we once again have to just read the paragraph and highlight what can inform what should go into the blank. Political blogs with conspicuous ideological alignments became an integral component of U.S. media in the early 2000s, while some commentators lauded this development, asserting that such blogs had a welcome transparency missing from traditional news. Less blank observers countered that such blogs tended to ideological extremes that exacerbated political polarization to problematic levels. Well, we know that the commentators that are being contrasted against whatever's going to be in the blank lauded this development. So we'll just highlight lauded, and they welcomed the transparency. So we know that the other observers are simply going to be less lauding and less welcoming. So we need to find something in the answer choices that would indicate welcoming, lauding, very positive. Sanguine would match that very positive, like we're welcoming and we're applauding this idea. So if you don't know what the definition of sanguine is, you'd have to leave it open as possibly a correct answer we don't know the definition of. Of course, add any vocabulary words you don't know the definition of to your vocabulary review list. Recalcitrant is going to be a negative, and we wanted a positive that this sentence says the observers are less of. So B is a tone reversal. Misanthropic is going to be another very negative term that is a tone reversal. And earnest just indicates like they're less humble, the observers, and they're not. That's just kind of the wrong positive characteristic. So we'd eliminate D, and we would, in the actual exam when I'm not reading aloud, read sanguine back into the paragraph on the left to confirm an overall coherent narrative. Of course, if you're picking sanguine as a question mark, then you probably don't need to read it back in because you just don't know what it means anyway. But of course, the process hopefully allows you to pick the word you don't know if you know B, C, and D do not match what we expect, not